The idea of unit, that is the commercial way of measuring energy, will be a lot clearer once we do set of questions. So let's begin with the first one. Here we have a bulb which is of 60 watt, which is used 6 hours a day. Calculate the unit of energy consumed in 1 day by the bulb. Okay. So let us write the given. We have the power, which is 60 watt, and the time, which is 6 hours a day. So 6 into 60 into 60 seconds. Okay, this is the energy consumption of this bulb per day. So that has to be very clear. So what is that exactly we are trying to do? Now the working. So we have the energy consumption per day by the bulb will be equal to power into time, right? So this would be 60 into 60 into, should I do this? No, this is the fun part. See, the whole thing is this. You don't have to express in terms of seconds. That's the whole idea. You got it? Because we are expressing in terms of units, that is nothing but kilowatt hour. So basically this would be, let me show this. See, that would have been a lot hectic, is it not? Now let's see this 6. Let me use the same color, I guess. This would be watt into time would have been, not would have been, time is in this case 6 hours. That's it. Okay, you don't have to make it more complicated. But yeah, there is a bit of step that we need to take. This would be 360 watt hour. But this is not in kilo. This is the complicated thing that you might find it to be difficult. If not, this is the most complicated thing. So now, how can I make this as kilo? See, the idea of kilo is quite simple. If I write kilo, that is 1000 over here. Here too, I need to write 1000 so that it will cancel and you get back this. So this would be kilowatt hour. That's it. All you have to do is multiply and divide with 1000. So the numerator, instead of writing as a number, we're writing it as a symbol. And in the denominator, we're writing it as 1000 itself. So let me make it a bit more obvious. So we are basically doing this. We're multiplying and dividing with 1000. Can we do this? Like we do in fractions. Right? Now, this is a representation of a kilo. Okay? So basically this gets converted to 3600, single zero divided by 1000 kilowatt hour. That's all. Right, guys? So this is 0.36 kilowatt hour or 0.36 units. Okay, can you see that? So how our complicated calculation turned out to be such an easy one? You need to understand this concept. Yes, it's a simple concept. If you're not understood it, means you're not learning the concepts properly, the maths and the science. You've been using kilometer from a very long time, kg, kilometer. If you're not able to integrate the idea of kilo into your day-to-day usage of the math and science, right? You're not learnt it right. Kilo is just a representation of 1000. Remember that. Okay. But anyways, hope you guys found this. And if you are not able to find this very helpful, if you need the details of this, we have it in basics. So what's the basics? You'll learn all of this because we have a lot of numericals over there. Just for the subscript, just for this kilo and centi and milli and micro and nano and all of that. You'll get a better hang of it. Okay. So yes, it's important for us to understand this because the entire unit deals with converting into kilowatt hour. And that's how you do this. Very simple, right?